Hey, Dad. I love you. There's a smile. I'm not taking a picture, I'm recording you. Even better. Watching the Cubs game with Jason. And then there's Vicky. Say hello.
Hi.
Wait, cat's down there somewhere. You're throwing it everywhere, Dad. He's bacon eater today. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Now I know how to get you to eat, Dad. Just give you a plate full of bacon. I know. Turn this on so I could see him.
Right there he is.
I seen. Awesome. Who's winning?
Cubs are up 7-0.
Woo!